Kung supplier kita at customer mo ko, gaganahan ba akong magbayad sa'yo? Magkakasundo tayo in saying na halos lahat ng customers merong ganitong saltik. Ayaw na ayaw niyan na sinisingil. Hindi sa ayaw magbayad ha, ayaw lang nilang binabother mo sila para singilin. It may sound negative, pero honestly, pwede mong magamit yan to your advantage. Making it easier for your customers to pay you enables them to get rid of you faster. Pagka-process ng payment, pwede ka na nilang kalimutan hanggang sa susunod na billing. Online transfer, QR payments, auto charge, and online payment gateways. These make it so convenient for your customers to pay you para hindi mo na sila guluhin. Mabilis ka pang nakakakolekta para may pera kang magamit sa business mo. And kung maayos ang records mo and automated ang monitoring ng receivables using Zero, One Accounting, or Zoho Books, maiiwasan pa yung potential misunderstanding na baka lalong magpairita sa customer mo. This is the power of accounting automation. And if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.